And remember, we're still having the giveaway, so go over to my other channel, check that out. All the details are in my intro videos for that. But this video is mostly concept of taking a bowl blank like this that's been sitting in a black plastic bag for a long time, turning it, coring it, and ending up with it in a paper bag with shavings to dry for the next 6 months to 6 years. Seriously, take a look at that. All of these black bags are full of bowl blanks. Like, are you kidding me? Ah! Thing is gargantuan. Somebody ought to do something with that. Okay, here's another look at the task at hand. We've got all these blanks. I need to clean them up a little bit. And what is that? Wait a minute, what is that? Aren't we cleaning the shop? Yep, we sure are. That was cool. Okay, keep digging. Sweet. A new tray under the lathe pops shavings right out of here and into the turbulator. out of there. Left my bottom a little thin once again. So we gotta figure out how to make these better. I mean, I can still get a bowl out of it, sure. But I'm just thin at the bottom to begin with. Okay. I'll get back to cleaning the shop. Let's put some of these back in the bags for a while. Alright, well that's a wrap. We have one more paper bag with a couple of bowls in it as compared to the plastic bags with a yucky old thing like this in it. But gives me a good idea. I think I'll go turn this one next. Thanks for watching. Share, subscribe, tell your friends.